Every day is just another day. A chaotic commute, meeting after meeting, project updates, hard deadlines. But at the end of the day, what did I really achieve? The rush is getting to me, and most of all, nothing seems to get closer to finishing. But today, I leave everything behind. Coming here, I need to take a step back. No phones, messages, and projects. Back to the basics. Truly working to just make it through the day. It's been a long time since my day was filled with just covering the basics. Only a small, tight-knit community around me, focusing on the same tasks. From the outside, it may seem harsh, but I love it. The physical labor, the cold, the simplicity, and most of all, the satisfaction. I get to create and enjoy the fruits of my labor. Never before have I felt so grateful for the simple things. Stepping away from all the complexity has opened my eyes, my mind, and my heart. I got to realize what is truly important to me. And maybe I didn't come to find some peace. Maybe I came to rediscover myself.